Hello, welcome to AI Factory.
Riding the asphalt waves neon in his smoke.
Have you seen how this type of animation is taking the internet by storm?
Steel-hearted rebel making the city-state quake. These past hard.
Some creators are raking in millions with these amazing animations. Just look at them, no one makes videos this effortlessly. It's incredibly user-friendly. You can transform any of your videos into a variety of styles with ease. If you've never tried using AI tools to generate videos, you need to watch this until the end. Open your browser and go to GoEnhance.AI. Click on Try GoEnhance for free and sign up with your Gmail. Once you're logged in, you'll see a sleek homepage showcasing impressive videos created by users. GoEnhance.AI offers 5 powerful features: video to video, image to video, video face swap, character animation, image enhancer, and upscaler. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool. Let's start with the video to video feature. On this page, you'll see some demos showcasing animations converted from original videos. The first demo is in an origami style. The second features a cute animation style. The third is done in a pop art style.
Knights or warrior in the starlight rays, no maps needed.
And the fourth showcases pixel art inspired by the movie Barbie.
Freedom's the sky, cities beating hard. He's the pulse of the night. Winds calling, streets echoing his fame.
Next, there's an anime style and a Japanese anime style, which look quite similar. The last one is in 3D CG style.
The storm whispers in the shadows play, causes smoke then fades away. City breathes.
You can upload your video here. Under Style, you'll find 23 different styles to choose from, ranging from cute anime to pencil and pixel styles. I uploaded a video and selected the cute anime style. Under Video Duration, my video is 5 seconds long, so I chose the 5-second option. There are also 10-second and 20-second options, but these are available in the paid plans, and this generation will cost you 25 tokens. With the free plan, you get 45 tokens each month. You can input seed numbers to generate videos similar to those with the same seed number, or you can click the dice icon to generate random seeds. Hit the Generate button to start the process. It should take about 9 minutes, but it's often quicker. My video conversion is done. Let's check out the result. Let's explore the image to video feature. On the generation page, you'll need to upload 2 images: a first frame image and a last frame image. In the prompt box, you can describe the movement you want. Under Enhanced Optimization, you have 2 options: Anime and Real. You can also select the speed and input a seed number. This process is similar to traditional animation, requiring a set of images with consistent characters, appearances, and backgrounds. Next, let's check out the Video Face Swap feature. This combines an image and a video. Here is the original video, and this is the face image. The character in the video changes to the new face. For example, you can see the character's face in the video change to Leonardo's. The settings on the left panel are very simple and intuitive. Definitely worth trying out. Now, let's see character animation. Based on the image you provide, this feature turns your video into that image's style. You can upload your image here, or if you don't have a suitable video, they provide some examples for you to try. VIP users can customize the background and create longer durations. Under Style, there are 3 options to choose from: 2.5D, Anime, and Real. Finally, let's look at the Image Enhancer and Upscaler. This feature significantly improves blurred images, as you can see from the example. It's incredibly useful for many users, and you really need to try it. There are several settings to experiment with to get the best results. Regarding pricing, there's a free plan available for you to try. While there is room for improvement, it's a great start for creating animated videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.